Hello there. With distance learning happening all over the country, many people have been wondering, how do I create a Google Classroom page? This is a quick tutorial to show you how to do so. First of all, you need a Google account. So if you haven't created a Google account yet, please do so. Next, you're going to go to the upper right-hand corner of Google after you go to the Google homepage. There are 9 little squares up there. Click on that. And then scroll down a little bit to Google Classroom. It's green, looks like the old-timey chalkboard. Click on that right there. This will bring up the Google Classroom page for you. And you'll notice I already have some of my Google Classroom pages in here. But we want to create a new one. So in the upper right-hand corner again, there's a plus button. 2 options pop up: join class or create class. We are going to create class today. Your students, when they join your class, will click on join class. So click on create class. And you're going to put in the information. So I'm just going to give it a name, sample class, and then you can add whatever else you'd like: section, subject, room, etc. And it just takes a minute or two to create the class. Once it's created, we'll take a look at it. So let's look. Here's sample class in the upper left-hand corner. That's the name of our class. If you click on this 3 lines, it's going to show all the other classes there too, which is great. And here is our class name. And if you click on this, this is the code that your students will use to join the class. So when your students click on that plus button, they will enter this code to join the class, okay? At the top, we have stream, classwork, people, and grades. Let's click on people first. That's me right there. And you can add other teachers to it as well. Just type in their name to give them an invitation. I've invited co-teachers, I've invited colleagues, I've invited paraprofessionals, special education teachers, paraprofessionals who have helped me out over the years. So it's always great to invite teachers. And then students. You can invite students via email, or you can give them the code, which is down here. And again, it is on the stream page right here. So those are a couple of ways to invite others to join. Now there's stream, and this is where everything you post will be in here in chronological order. It's not sorted in any way. And then there's classwork, and classwork has improved over the last couple of years, and I love it. There's a couple of different things you can do. There's a class drive folder. There's the Google Calendar, which will have all of the assignments that are coming up and their due dates. And then the create button. This is the button that's going to do all the work for you. You can create lots of different things. You can create an assignment where students will upload material, or you could possibly put some material in them. A quiz assignment, which actually opens up a Google form for you to enter the information. A question, which is basically like a post. You will pose a question to the class, and they can respond to your inquiry. And they can respond to each other. They can just respond to you. And then there's material if you just want to upload something there. And then you can even reuse a post. This is something new which they added, and I love it because I have multiple sections of the same class and the same curriculum. So I might use a post in my period 3 class, and then I'd like to reuse it for my period 5 class, and I will just reuse it and turn it over there. So these are the basic features of Google Classroom. It's really easy to do, and I hope you take advantage of it and use it. I will be posting some additional videos to show you how to enter information, how to enter assignments, how to grade the work, how to upload information. It'll all be in there. All right, good luck with distance learning. We can do this. Take care, everybody.